What if I told you that you could earn in 7 to 8 digits, probably, and lakhs and crores just by forgetting it? We tend to forget everything, right? From our homeworks to the notebooks we need to bring to the school, from the things we need to buy, from the lists of groceries which our parents gave us. And what if we use this forgetfulness in this way to earn an 8 to 7 digits number? Sounds ridiculous, right? Do watch this video till the end to know all about it. So, how do we earn through forgetting it? Well, let's take an example. This is an example of Infosys price chart, alright, which is an IT company. Well, seeing the price chart, you must be thinking that it's just long term investing, so you could just buy it over here and then sell it over here after a decade. Well, it's not so, because I'm giving you an investment amount of only 1000 and a profit of almost 1 crore or in tens and lakhs. Alright, so even if you took it for the long term perspective view, if you would have invested 1000 over here, that when the price was trading at 50 rupees per share in 2003, you would get only 20 shares. Alright, investing 1000, and if you sold this 20 shares at 2020 over here at the price of 950 rupees per share, you would get this 20 shares into 950, which would be 19,000. So even if the long-term investing is not able to earn this way, so what was that secret in that long-term investing which nobody actually talks much about it, or generally people don't tell you? That thing is called as the bonus shares over here. Okay, so if you see, the bonus shares are basically free shares, which means that company which rewards you for staying invested in them for long term. And if you see over here in the chart, the Infosys company has given you bonus share up to 8 times in the ratio of 1:1, and once they gave you 3:1. And what is this ratio? It basically means that a company is giving you 1 share free for every 1 share you held. Alright, so taking the example as above, that you have invested around 1000 rupees and had a total of 20 shares back then, you would have around 40 shares in 1997, because they gave you 1 share free for every 1 share you held. So you held 20 shares total, you got 20 shares in return for free. Then again in 1999, your 40 shares became 80 shares, and then in 1999 18th Feb, your 80 shares become 160, and in 2004 1st July they gave a bonus share of 3:1, which means for every 1 share you held, you got 3 shares for free, which means your 160 shares turned out to be 480 shares. And so on, the company gave the bonus shares in the ratio 1:1 on 2006, 14, 15 and 18, making your total 480 shares into an amount of 3840 shares. So could you just imagine that you just invested 1000, had 20 shares, and now you have 3840 shares. So if you compare this, the same thing in the price chart right now at today's level, which you had invested that back then at 50 rupees per share and had 20 shares right then, invested amount was total was only 1000. You had a total of 3840 shares because of the bonus shares, alright, which multiplied by 950 at this current price over here, 950 will give you a round of total of 72,96,000 rupees. This is your profit actually, which generally long-term investors don't think about. I mean, the ones who are invested, they know, but generally the new ones don't know. I hope you understood how long-term investing could help you in big time, and just forgetting could make you in crores or in tens of lakhs if only you had invested more than 1000, had more than 20 shares, and then your compounded ratio of your shares and money would be a lot more. I hope you understood this video and learned the importance of investing and how beneficiary it could be. So that's all for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Do hit the like button if you like my content and comment down your queries below. Subscribe the channel for more such videos in the future, and for my social handles, links in the description. Until next time, happy investing. Bye bye.